In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your abandoned cart offer on Etsy. It's super common for customers to add something to their cart and just keep scrolling. But when you have this setup, Etsy automatically sends them a discount on your behalf, giving them that extra push to come back and actually make the purchase. And believe it or not, it takes less than a minute to set up. From your Etsy homepage, you have to scroll to the top, click on Shop Manager. From there, on the left side, you have to click on Marketing, and then click on Sales and Discounts. And from here, you have to scroll down a little and gonna see Abandoned Cart Offer. And what you see here are the results for my current Abandoned Cart Offer, and got me 11 sales and almost $25 in revenue. Keep in mind that this is my smallest shop with less than 20 listings, and I treat it more like a hobby. So let me cancel it out. And now that I've cancelled my abandoned cart offer, I'm gonna show you how to set it up. And from here, you have a few options. Percentage off, fixed amount off, for example, $5 or €5, or free shipping if you do physical products. In my case, I'm just gonna keep it at percentage, at 35, and a promo code, I'm just gonna add abandoned 35 and just click create one offer, and that's it. Now every time someone adds your product to their cart and doesn't check out within 24 hours, Etsy will automatically send them your discount offer. You don't have to do anything at all, it just runs in the background and brings buyers back for you. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.